Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our Believe cards. This is by Natalie Goldberg. Follow what you love, and it will take you where you want to go. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 14, NASDAQ off 3.5, S&P's up $1.25. Gold contract, check it out, up $45 at 1,318. Can you say ABC structures, folks? They're all over the place on the way up in the gold market, silver market. Silver up 98 cents, trading out at 20.73. Platinum up 21 bucks at 1,472. Copper flat at 306 a pound. Light sweet crude up 67 cents at 106.64. The bonds, you had the 10-year up 3 ticks at 124.10. We got the 30-year down 18 at 135.04. We're going to get back to those because those were up early in the day. We're going to see, did we have any juice? Did we have any volume as we got up to higher highs? King dollar. King dollar was down 265 ticks, trading out at 80.40. You had the euro up 8 at 136, and the yen flat at 101.96. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You have a flat market. We did 621 million versus 628. Still no fear in the market. Dow Industrials, what you have with the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials flat also, up 14 bucks. We go take a look at the NASDAQ. Inside the NASDAQ, inside the NASDAQ, first off, we hit a high of 43.72. You're at 43.59 right now. The high out there, and this is just a trip in itself. So check it out. It's 43.71.39. That high was generated on March 7th. The prior day, March 6th, we were at the 71 level also. So March 6th and 7th, we have to do is this. You go back to March 6th and 7th. We see what kind of juice we had up at those highs. So today we did 1.8 billion. You go back to March 6th and March 7th. So check it out. March 6th, 2.1. March 7th, 2.1. What does that mean? That means you have a failure on price and volume. Now, the intriguing thing, of course, it just got over it, closed underneath it, but that's how that's set up, folks. That's what it is. You know what blows my mind? There's no doubt. When you're dealing with a large number like that, meaning, you know, the composite, we're dealing with a 43.71 number, it's amazing, like, okay, how does this work? Gets up to the high, tests the high, can't hold the high. Yeah, we'll see where this shakes out. After the close out here, Oracle came out with some numbers. Oracle closed at 42. She's trading down to 39.91. She's getting whacked around. And I will go back to Oracle. But first, we want to go into that gold contract. So, gold. What do we do with gold? Gold breaks topside with a vengeance, folks. We're at $45. You did 222,000 contracts. So, what does it mean? Okay, so the short term, we're at 13.17, 13.92 is game. That's how that's set up. Now watch this, though. Now you put this on a continuous contract. On a continuous contract, bring this back. And what happens in the futures market, folks, when you do a continuous contract, it's like, okay, they string them together. On a continuous contract, we have 14.28. So you get 100. This price projection here is 120 bucks higher. That's what it comes down to. If you want to go look at the silver contract, same thing in silver. Silver had been stronger and was basically broadcasting that the contract wanted to go higher. The equities themselves were broadcasting. You know what's really wild? It's like, how the heck did the equities contract, start broadcasting, which they did. They stopped, basically broadcasting a couple weeks ago. This thing wanted to go. Silver, monster move in silver. Did 91,000 contracts, okay? Up like 5%. So silver's at 2075. That's in short term. It wants to go to 22.22. if I take this and I put this on a continuous contract, we'll bring this back and see where we set up on a continuous contract. Okay, so on a continuous contract, silver set up for 25 bucks. It's a big move, man. That is a big move. XAU, HUI, all of the above, A to B equals C to D. It took it out, and it took it out in spades, folks. There's no two ways about it. The XAU, we basically, so right now, 93, let me just see something, 93, 83, 93, 103, yeah. XAU's going to 107 right now. You're at 99. HUI, Gold Bugs Index, we are at 237. That's on its way up to 261. Bond market. Let's go to bonds. Now, bonds, let's see what happened out here with bonds. Okay, so you got 1.2 million contracts on the 10-year. The 10-year gets to 124.23. Closes, yeah, this is good. The 10-year, guess what? The 10-year is building cause to get up to 126, and I expect you're going to go to 128. We take a look at the 30-year. Same deal. 436,000 contracts. You ran into, yeah, this is sneaky. So you ran into 136.09, closed at 135.04, but guess what? That's pushing the swing point with volume. 30-year also wants to go to 138, which is the swing point. I expect on that one, though, you're going to be pushing out at 142. King dollar. Let's go take a look at King dollar. Correlation, of course, gold and dollar. King dollar, guess what? Goes down with lighter volume. This is going to be a trip watching this shake out. So it looks that what you'll end up having is this. So King dollar is at 80.45. She looks like she's going to go down another, that's another, yeah, she can get down another 400 ticks. 80.08. And where that is, that's where the sign of strength was on May 9th. That's what it looks like that little baby wants to do right now. But what I suspect you're probably going to have here is this. As gold and silver do continue higher, you'll get a little less strength in the dollar. That'll pull back. But what you do have is that they will be going up simultaneously, but the gold and silver is going to go up a lot higher than the dollar. That's the way we had divergence in there. That's the way that looks like this baby's going to shake out right now. Now let's go back to Oracle for a second and see what Oracle ORCL. Oracle closed at a price point of 42.51. She's at 40.03 right now. And let's see what they have to say. So the earnings estimate was 95 cents. They made 92. The revenue was, the estimate was 11.48 billion. They made 11.33 billion. That's the third, yeah, that's the fourth quarter. If we take a look at how this is set up, so let's take a look. You're at 39 to 40 right now. Yeah, this can trade to 36. It's not the chart's not that bad looking, really. Yeah, it can trade to 36. Not the end of the world for Oracle. 877-927-6648. Some of the higher volume stocks out here today. You had Coach. Oh, Coach was getting smacked. That was down 10%. That was off 350. Facebook was up off $1.50. You had American Express down 49 cents. Big Blue was off 78. We had Oxy up 10. Disney was up 10. Big Mac was up 56. Johnson & Johnson was up $1. The financials. Let's go take a look at J.P. Morgan. Excuse me, folks. J.P. Morgan was flat, down 48 cents. Bank of America, she was flat also. She was down 10 cents. We're going to look at the energy complex. When we take a look at the energy complex, we had ExxonMobil down 10. Chevron was up $1.71. That's quite a move. Schlumberger was up 52. You stay right there, folks. It's Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. We're going to be right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Come right back.